Kuliah kerja Tematik merupakan program mbkm Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka di Universitas Duta Bangsa Surakarta yang wajib diikuti oleh mahasiswa mulai angkatan 2020 yang akan dikonversi ke dalam 5 mata kuliah, yaitu Bahasa Indonesia, Pancasila, Kewarganegaraan, Pendidikan Agama, Inovasi dan Kreativitas. Kuliah akan dilakukan dengan blended learning, yaitu kuliah tatap muka dan kegiatan KKN tematik. Untuk tema KKN tematik periode kelima tahun 2024 adalah peningkatan perekonomian desa melalui pemberdayaan masyarakat.
Kami atas nama pemerintah Desa Wonogiri mewakili warga masyarakat Wonogiri mengatakan terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya. Dengan kedatangan adik-adik dari UDB Surakarta ini bisa memberi motivasi bekerja lebih maju lagi, dan saya juga mohon pada anak-anakku dari UDB Surakarta ini juga bisa mempromosikan, memasarkan supaya apa yang adik-adik laksanakan untuk kegiatan UMKM di Wonogiri bisa lebih berkembang dan maju.
Senantiasa menjadi sesuatu yang bermanfaat bagi masyarakat, khususnya lapisan di masyarakat Desa Bangsa, dan barangkali kemudian timbal baliknya ketika di pemerintahan Desa Bangsa ada sesuatu ilmu yang baru yang sebelumnya belum tahu, dengan adanya KKN Desa Bangsa sehingga secara langsung tahu program kegiatan di tingkat Desa Bangsa, sehingga nanti bisa bermanfaat menambah ilmu kepada adik-adik mahasiswa kesemuanya dari Universitas Duta Bangsa.
Welcome to the Thematic Real Work Lecture at Duta Bangsa University Surakarta, a mission of collaboration and innovation. Here, we combine youthful enthusiasm and knowledge to create real change in Wonogiri Regency, specifically in Giriwoyo district and Pracimantoro district. Provision of Thematic Real Work Lectures provides a clear understanding of students' duties and responsibilities while participating in these activities. They learn what is expected of them, how to manage time and resources, and how to work in a team. One of the main achievements of Indonesian language courses in real work courses in villages is the students' ability to understand and use Indonesian well and correctly. One of the main achievements of the Innovation and Creativity course in Real Work courses in villages is the students' ability to identify various problems in village communities and develop innovative solutions. The Citizenship course at the Village Real Work Lecture aims to form students as responsible citizens, care about the social environment, and active in community development. The main achievement of the Pancasila course is students' understanding of the basic values of Pancasila, such as justice, democracy, unity, divinity, and humanity. The achievements of the Religious Education course are its application in daily life in the village and active involvement in promoting religious values to improve the quality of life of the community. Thematic Real Work Lecture Results Exhibition provides benefits for students ranging from increasing self-confidence, developing skills, and strengthening academic and professional competencies. Meanwhile, the benefits for residents are increasing awareness and knowledge, obtaining solutions to local problems, building connections with academics and government, encouraging community participation, strengthening relations between the campus and the community,